Hello everyone, it's Hanny with my junk journal embellishment challenge number 47, and the prompt is bridge, and I'm going to make a pocket. Well, I thought bridge, you have a bridge over water, you can do that, but I thought, hey, I can do bridge, the playing card game. But I couldn't find very much, only a few, or a bridge score thing I have, and some playing cards. I have more playing cards, but, well, I thought let's do some, oh yeah, and a scoring table. I thought, well, let's do something with that, but yeah, it's a bit plain, so I'm not sure exactly what to do more, but well, I'm going to make a pocket, and I thought, well, that can be a pocket, and I'm going to make this way, not landscape, but portrait. I'm going to make such a pocket, glue it over there, so you can put something in there, or like that. Not sure yet, but I'm going to make the pocket anyway. So, I'm not going to cut anything off, because when I do cut that off, well, the word bridge is gone. So I won't do that. I have no clue what to do. Well, just make a sort of collage. I think I had this on my desk. Maybe I can use a piece of that just for fun. And then the bridge card, the table, the scoring table. Maybe I could do something with this card. There is no Trump contract. I have no clue what it means, but I'm going to put something over there. I like this little card. And the diamonds and spaces on it and like that. So maybe I'm going to do something like that. Just I don't know. I have no clue. Well, I'm just going to glue things on. I hope this will work. I will do that with a glue stick, like this. Just glue that on for a bit of interest. I can't play bridge. I never done that before. So I can't play cards. Some games I can, but not bridge. I never played bridge before. Well, I'm going to do that. Yeah, I'm going to glue that on. I'm not thinking too much. Something like that. like that. I searched for a little picture with people playing bridge or a card game, but I couldn't find any. Like that too. I like that. Don't know if I like that. I like the little maybe I could just cut that off. I don't know what that says, but shall I cut it off and glue it somewhere on? I like this. But I want that gone. I can do that way. Well, let's just glue it on. A bridge pocket. So you can't see that anymore. And this one like that. I have more cards, of course, which I can use. Oh, I have very big ones. Maybe I could use like that one too. Let's just look for a while. That's the only one. I like that. I'm going to cut that out. Yeah, I'm going to fussy cut that. And gluing that on. Yeah, I like that. Like that. Oh, like that too. Hey, I like that too. No, the other one. Oh yeah, I should stress it a bit because it's very white. So something like that. Yeah, like that. So, and now I have these little ones. don't know if I'm going to use those. I like them, but just somewhere. Where? I don't know where. Oh. I think I'm doing it this way. Yeah. It has to go somewhere. Well, I like it. I think that's enough. That's enough. I like it. Just inking the edges. Well, it's a very easy, simple pocket. But it's about bridge. I'm not gluing it in yet. But when I glue it in, I have to glue that a bit better. I just will glue 3 sides so you can put something in, like a card, something like that. Well, that was a quickie. That's my pocket. I'm going to glue it a bit better here, I hope, because it's heavy paper, those cards. And it doesn't stick that well, the glue stick, not well enough. Well, that should do. Well, this is my pocket. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.